88% of the organizations use AI, and 37% expect AI to replace jobs by 2026. But Gartner says that 50% of the companies that cut customer service roles for AI will rehire by 2027. The AI shift is true, but so is the backlash. Crazy how companies are switching back to humans from AI. Microsoft is saying bye-bye to Claude. Starbucks removed AI inventory tracking tool, and I didn't see that coming. So I found two big reasons why companies are doing this. Number one is the rising cost, and number two is the insecurity. Let's deep dive on both. Number one, the rising cost. The rising cost of AI is surpassing the cost of having a human employee. It's true that AI can be very time effective, but an employee who knows how to use AI can be 10 times more effective and also being efficient. So, to understand it better, let's look at this matrix. 1, 2, 3. If you look at this matrix, the top left hand side are the tasks which are easy for AI to do but hard for you. These tasks include website designing or creating an SOP. This will easily be replaced by AI. If you look at the right hand side top, these are the tasks which are easy for humans and easy for AI. For example, creating a presentation or a market research, easily replaceable by AI. If you look at the right hand side of this matrix at the bottom, these are the tasks which are easy for humans but hard for AI. This can be something like a gut feeling or taste preference related to things like advertising. So an ad creative, an AI would say that this ad creative won't work based on pattern recognition. But you would believe that this would because of your gut feeling, just like Steve Jobs used to believe. So these are the tasks which are easy for humans but hard for AI. Now if you look at the left hand side bottom, these are the tasks which are hard for humans and hard for AI. These things include understanding human emotions and human psychology. These two are very hard for AI to replace. So the place where you need to be is these two tasks. Hard for humans, hard for AI. Easy for humans, hard for AI. So number two, the insecurity. Companies use AI. For example, Claude, Cursor, GitHub, Copilot, Claude Code, Claude Cowork. And the employees, the executives, and a lot of others get insecure with it because AI is doing all your tasks. Now, here's what I believe. What will happen in the upcoming months, or it's already happening. Number one is the trust gap. AI is not human, and with proof from centuries, it is very clear that AI does not connect with a human. So, human, AI. Human, AI. A human doesn't connect with an AI, but a human connect with a human. So the point is, with the rise of AI's law, people are looking for authentic stuff. This applies to both digital and real world. People are looking for authentic things now. And either you be yourself or get buried in the AI's law. To be authentic, you need to use your intelligence and intellect. AI has its own intellect, but it's not as unique as yours. Intellect is a set of data that you have experienced, or an AI has a data in itself. And this is not just the case with organic content, this is also the case with AI ads. So from the last few months, I and maybe you are also seeing ads where an AI character that is made of AI, an AI ad is actually reviewing the product or the service of that business. And how can you review and give stars or a review to that specific company because you are an AI? You are not a human. That ad has a character that is an AI. So how do I know that the service that is making that AI ad is doing the same task or the same quality of service or giving the same quality of product that the AI is reviewing about? Because that's not true. It's not a real UGC. So the point that comes with how to actually not get taken away with AI's law is either do not use AI or use AI to enhance your content. A few words I would like to say before ending this video is I believe AI is the present and it's not going anywhere. A person who uses AI will definitely replace you. You must use AI not to consider it as the final truth. And with that being said, my name is Hridesh Mirai and I will see you in the next one.